What's going on, guys? It's Roberto from American Sourcing. It's A16 2020, 2022. Sorry, I'm going back in time. And I just want to give you guys a little breakdown of what it looks like to get a breakdown out there away from home. So we have our truck broke down yesterday in Wisconsin, Roberts, Wisconsin. So I found this place called Jerry's Truck and Trailer Repair. They were very kind. I called them around 10 p.m. They couldn't help us at that time. I called them on Sunday, sorry. Then they couldn't see really help us at that time. We had to wait until basically Monday. On Monday they checked the truck and they said for today. They did help my driver out. They gave him a ride to a motel that we found him for him to stay on, and they also, help him pick him up and bring him back to the shop. All that good stuff. Um, but the video is about the breakdown of what we get charged whenever you break down out there. The reason why we went inside the shop is the fact that right there we had a lot of white smoke, and we had that stop engine or check engine, the red check engine that is stopped the truck. So yeah, we definitely knew that something was wrong. Most likely it was the injector, and I told the driver, one of my good friends from high school, Mike, most likely it's gonna be 3K, and it came out to be 4,762 with 59 cents. Um, of course, it's getting charged to American Sourcing. So let's go over what is it that they're charging, so that way just for educational purposes. Um, so we have here task one. It's the diagnose the engine and the smoke. So basically, they do a little breakdown of what they had to do. Truck brought to shop for smoking out of a tailpipe. Pull the truck into shop. Plug into software. They literally will give you the breakdown, but I'm gonna literally focus on the money price. So we're gonna go for here gasket, clamp. These are the parts that they have to buy to be able to work on the truck. Then they have it right there, parts, and then labor, $300 for labor. That's the $300 could be like 2 hours. It's like 150 to $200 an hour. So there you go. Then task two, basically repair the engine. Okay. So let's see here that the engine had a bad injector. Um, so in order to be able to fix the injector, they have to get a couple of things: the seal, the bulb cover, the injector hold down bolt. These are the parts that they're charging you in order to fix the injector, right? Then here comes the injector. We had an injector for about $1,274, and then labor cost is almost $1,000 to put the injector. And then today they call us and let us know, look, while the truck was sitting in the shop, it leaked coolant. So we had a water pump. We had to replace the water pump. The water pump was $908. Then the coolant was $936, and then for labor $700 to replace the pump. And then so pretty much, oh, we had the idler pulley that was another replacement. You know, Overall we have parts 2,355, labor cost $2,000. So overall, our on the taxes, overall we have to pay today $4,762.59 just for one bad injector. That was the main reason to go in, and this is how much literally came out of our account. We had to do a wire. Because if you pay with credit card, then you get charged at 3%. So I want to save as much as possible, especially that nowadays the loads are slow, and with this big hit, I know that I want to be working for 2 weeks for free. So just a little breakdown of what what you can expect from from breaking down out there. Everybody knows that labor itself is gonna be a big cost. In this case was $2,000, and then the rest was parts. But yeah, that's about it.